Hey guys, we're gonna start by wearing red contact lenses. Vampires have flawless skin, so we're gonna start with skincare. First, body spray. Then moisturize. Primer. Use orange to color correct your face. Even though I'm already pale as hell, I'm gonna make myself even whiter. Use powder to set everything in place. Put some more powder under your eyes to prevent fallout. Now we're gonna contour. Blend it out. We're gonna do a brown smoky eye. Start with lighter brown and add some darker shadows into the crease. Contour your nose. Fill in your brows. I'm gonna draw on my eyebrow cut because I have one. You can just fake one with concealer. Clean them up. Use eyebrow gel. Add glitter. I'm using proper eyeshadow and a soft brush under my eyes. Then I added some red and blend it all out. I'm gonna draw on a winged eyeliner, of course, out of frame. Line your lips and fill them in with red oil-based face paint. Line your eyes. Do the mascara thing. Use this torture device to give your lashes more volume. Highlighter. No good makeup routine is done without some fake blood. Setting spray. Now put on a nice wig and change into a Victorian era outfit. Make sure if you drink blood it's mouth safe and don't get too close to the sun. Until tomorrow. Bye.